Hello everyone. Welcome to this channel, and in today's video session I will discuss how to create a zip file uh, in the IFS. So let's see a practical demo from here. I have created a program that will do this for us. So before going into this program, let me tell you we should have some files on the IFS. So for that purpose, I'll create a CSV file out of a data file, and then I'll zip that CSV file in IFS. So to create a CSV file, we know that we do have copy to MPF command that we can use to create a CSV file out of the data file. And then what we do is basically we use the Java command, that is a jar command, uh, which is the Java archive command that we can run from the QSHELL environment. So to run the QSHELL environment on the IBMI, we can use the STRQSH command. So let me open this program first. So you can see there are some variables declared create underscore CSV. So this is basically the location of the CSV file that is to be created. And this is the zip file location that is to be created. So on this path, zip file, this has to be created. From file and from library is the library or file from which the CSV file has to be created. So you can see the copy to MPF command is taking from lib and from file as input in the from file parameter, and then to HTMF we will create the CSV file. Member option is a star replace, so if it is already exists, it will be replaced. Stream file is already standard ASCII, so UBCDIC on IBM I gets converted to the readable format ASCII on the before transferring to the Windows, and at each end of line, the CR and LF, that is carriage return and line feed, gets added at the end of the each line as a character. Uh, Once this copy to MPF is executed, CSV file gets created. Now we can zip that file. So for that purpose, we use the Java archive command. This is the format of the file, the commands are the command name. Then the options, these are the options, some options we can use. And then the file, the file name, and then we can provide the file which has to be zipped basically. These are the options like small c, capital C, create a new archive file. This is for some other purpose. F is for specify archive file name, and do not create the manifest file, like, and generate verbose output and standard output and other options as well. So before running that on this CL program, we basically invoke STRQSH command from here, and this STRQSH command takes one parameter that that is the command, and we would first build that command string from here, that is RCFM. I can take the, so this is the predefined format, so C and then F, that M is small m, uh, can just wait. So the RCFM, then the zip file name to be zipped, and this is the CSV file that has to be zipped basically. So once this is built, this command gets triggered through this STRQSH, basically runs in the QShell environment. Let's save it and compile it. Let me show you this this command format from here. Just do strqsh. and just run these R once this QSH command entries appear. So you can see the same usage information from here and all these options, what they do. And there are some examples as well. Just to debug of this program, just set the breakpoint and then call this program. So from this file, we will create this CSV file. Now let's first check if the CSV file gets created at this step. So you can see CSV file gets created, pf1.csv. Now build this command string. Commands are cfm create the file, provided the file name of the zip file, and do not create the manifest file. And this is the file to be zipped basically. Just check. The command is executed. Just do one thing, that is just run the sp job log F10 shift F6, and there you will see that command ended normally with exit status 0. So if this message appears on the job log, then that means that this command is success, otherwise failure. So if it is success, means our file, the file has been created. So pf1.zip is created. Now let's delete this so that we can create it again. Now this time let's pass some other parameters or other options. Let's say CVF. So F before F V is required. So you can see FV. So this is the required format. V is to basically generate verbose output and standard output. Let's cancel it. Work of just to end it. Just create this program again and then call this. So you can see adding this and press enter to end terminal session. So if you do work link again, you will see that both the files are created. Now just minimize it, open the Access Client solution, integrated file system, just log in with your user profile, whatever you have. So the IFS is open and you can see both pf1.csv and pf1.zip. Let me download both. I'll download it to some location, let's say desktop. It is asking for both the files. So both the files are downloaded. Let me close all such things. So I have opened the pf1. So this is the pf1 CSV file and this is the zip file. So you can see that how this zip thing work. Now you are able to we are able to create the zip file on the IFS, then we can download it using the ACS IFS thing, and that's how we'll do this thing, that is creating a GIF file in the IFS. That's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.